Hey guys, it's time for Toys here, and today we're going to check out the Disney Pixar Cars 2 playset from Play-Doh. I can't wait to see what's in the box. Let's check it out. Ooh, cool. We have a real fun playmat. Wow, Lightning McQueen stamp. Look at that. It spins on the bottom and everything. Meow. Love it. Of course, we have a roller to roll out the Play-Doh, a knife to cut out all of the little details. We have 6 stamps. Each one of those has 2 sides. So that's 12 characters that we can make. Ooh, look at that. My favorite. Yeah, man. Totally cool. I love that stamp. Daggum! Let's get going. All right, Mater, let's go. We also have 3 colors of dough. We've got red, blue, and green. Oh, wow, look at everything in this set. I can't wait to get started. This looks so fun. Dang, y'all, what are you waiting for? Let's go ahead and get some stamps made. Yee-hoo! That's what I'm talking about, Mater. Let's get some stamps made. Shoot, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's make all of the stamps. I'm going to get a little bit of green dough, and I want to make Mater first because he's my favorite. I don't know about you guys, but Mater is awesome. Let's see what it is. Let's take off the extra dough and Mater. Oh wow, check that out. I see Mater and even his eyes. That is really cool. Put him here. My next one is going to be the awesome van. I love that one. So I'm going to just go ahead and stick some red dough. Make sure it's in there pretty good. And here we go. Smush it down. Awesome. Super cool. Check it out. Lightning McQueen. Shoom. Pit stop, beep beep, pit stop. Let's go ahead and make pit stop. I love pit stop. I'm gonna make him in blue just because I think blue is such a friendly color and it reminds me of pit stop. I love him. So cool. Squish him out. Take off the extra dough and I'll use my little knife. Get him out. And there he is. Pit stop. Man, isn't that fun? I love it. Awesome. Let's put up the dough and let's get our play mat. All right. Can you guys help me find all of the different areas and all of the different cars? Oh, look. That's one of my favorites. We'll just match them right up there. Ooh, isn't that cool? And let's look for, I see Mater over here. Let's grab Mater. Wham. Daggum, y'all. I love watching the races. It's super fun. Guys, the only thing left, because we filled out our whole entire playmat, is to use Lightning McQueen stamp roller. Oh man, that's gonna be awesome. Check out that Lightning. Check out his race number 95. So what we're gonna do, I'm thinking let's use red because it matches red Lightning McQueen. So let's go ahead and let's roll out some Play-Doh. Kind of looks like a big long tongue. Blah. Okay, whatever. All right, so check this out. Here comes Lightning McQueen. Oh my goodness, do you see that? Wow, we have the Lightning decals and his race number 95. That's so cool. Lightning McQueen, here we go. Well guys, thanks for watching. It sure was fun playing with this Play-Doh set, Cars 2 by Disney and Pixar. Man, making all of those molds sure were fun. Stay tuned for other fun videos right here on Time for Toys.